What's up, YouTube? Today we'll be asking people what sound their gun makes.
So Sebastian, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What's the sound that your gun makes?
Pew pew. That's all. Thank you.
Hey Aiden, I have the same question for you. What's the sound that your gun makes? What sound does your gun make?
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Adrian, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
What sound does your gun make?
Boom, boom.
Alright, what sound does your gun make? A gun? Your gun. Your gun.
My gun.
Pew pew.
And I already did you.
I know.
Terry, what sound does your gun make?
Minka, munka, maka, binga.
That seemed racist. AJ, what sound does your gun make?
What?
What sound does your gun make?
I don't know. What sound I make you? What did I make you sound like last night?
I have a question for you. What sound does your gun make? Mama! EJ, come over here. What sound does your gun make?
A gun?
Your gun.
My gun? Skrrr.
Lame.
That's it. I know, sorry.
What sound does your gun make?
Wow, wow, wow.
What sound does your gun make?
Beatbox break.
for the interviews.
Okay, I have a question for you.
What's the question?
What sound does your gun make?
Pew.
You say poo? Chrissy, what sound does your gun make? What sound does your gun make?
Pew? Pew?
Poo?
Pew.
Poo?
It's swollen. You gotta show me this shit. Better tell how I'm doing this shit. I got the devil on my phone. He told me keep doing this shit. Yeah.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. I admit it, another hole got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no, you didn't. Fuck sippin', I'm down.
Okay, that's about it. We're done. No overhanding me. This is family-friendly vlog. Family-friendly vlog. I mean, hey, let me take the stage. You all know that birds aren't real. The whole conspiracy theory. In 1959 to 2001, over 12 billion birds have been killed.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What sound does your gun make?
Oh, depends. Which one?
Just give me your favorite one.
All right. So my type. Yeah, Type 56, bro. I love that gun. So it's like.
That was impressive.
Let's do ASMR. ASMR break. Your hair's in my way. Okay, goodbye. Comment down below what your gun sounds like. Shaboing boing.